All right, we are mixing our egg into our 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Super quick and super easy. All right, now that we have that mixed, we're gonna go ahead and bring a medium bowl in, and we're gonna transfer our egg and Cool Whip mixture right into our bowl. It's okay if it's not fully mixed yet, because we will give it another good mix when we add our third ingredient. Perfect. Now I'm coming in with this super fun Swiss Miss hot cocoa cake mix. Yes, you heard that right. This is all the fun flavors of hot cocoa, but in a cake mix. I found this at Walmart and I knew I had to try this recipe because I love hot cocoa. So we have our Cool Whip, our egg, and our cake mix, and we are going to mix these two together until they're well combined, and we'll get kind of a thick and delicious batter that is so perfect for the holidays. I absolutely love this. This is great for like Christmas Eve if you want to make cookies for Santa. The kids can help you make this because it is so simple and it is only a few ingredients. Now you could keep it 3 ingredients. You could even do 2 ingredients and leave the egg out, but I'm gonna add one more thing that's super special. But first, let's get this well combined. All right, this is what our mixture should look like. It's extra sticky, extra thick, but we are missing one thing. You cannot do hot cocoa without some marshmallows, and we have the marshmallow bits, which are perfect for this recipe, and we're gonna go heavy-handed because we wanna make sure we have a lot of marshmallow, 1 in each bite at least. So we're gonna go with about 3/4 a cup of those marshmallow bits. I might add more as we mix this, but we're kind of just folding it in, making sure we don't break our little bits. But this is gonna add such a fun little texture and flavor to this delicious holiday treat. All right, and that looks like it is perfectly mixed. It is time to grab our cookie sheet because we are making hot cocoa cookies. I'm gonna grab my ice cream scoop because we kind of want some larger cookies, and then we are going to scoop our mixture and put it right on our parchment paper. Parchment paper is necessary for this recipe, and we're doing kind of like half an ice cream scoop per cookie. I think that is the perfect size. They will expand, so you want to make sure you give each cookie its space. Put them about 1 inch to 2 inches apart. But let's quickly get these cookies on our sheet so we can get them in the oven. All right, we're gonna start off with these ones, and we're gonna put them in the oven at 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. Oh my, Santa's cookies are ready. We let them completely cool. It is time to display them. I'm so glad we used that parchment paper because they come off so easy. We're putting them right on our plate to set out on Christmas Eve. Oh, they look so good. Now, if you wanted them to be a little bit fluffier, you could add an additional egg. But I kind of like these chewy, yummy cookies. We're gonna start off with those because that is plenty for Santa. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. Let's check this out, the inside. Oh, chewy and perfectly cooked. The best cookies to make for the holidays. Oh my gosh, it just melts in your mouth. It's so good. And it tastes like hot chocolate.